Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. So I've been trying to get rid of these cables down here just to use Apple Carplay or Android Auto, and I've finally found a solution, which is this device right here. It's called Ottocast wireless CarPlay adapter. I've been looking up reviews and forums as to how to go wireless because I'm tired of using these cables. It just looks like a rat's nest down here and it's very annoying. So I'm going to show you what this adapter does. It's got a nice little box. Just going to put the camera down. So the box looks like this. It's got a clear window, some Japanese lettering. It's got this little device in here. It's really light. I thought it'd be really bulky actually when I looked at the pictures on Amazon. This item will be linked in the bio. Let me see what else. It's got some warranty cards. How to. We won't need that yet. You never know if this is going to work or not. But let me see. It's got a USB-C to USB-A adapter if your car only has USB-A ports. My Jeep has USB-C and A, so I won't be needing this. It's good to have though. And we're going to take this apart. And then we're going to plug the USB-C into the Ottocast device here. Once you hear a click, you know you're good to go. And then I'm going to unplug these because we're not going to need wired CarPlay anymore. That's some stuff we leave back in 2010. So once you plug your Ottocast in, you could check down here for the status light. It'll appear right here. Now you know it's powered. And when it boots up, it should prompt you on the screen like that. And we're going to search for a Bluetooth connection called Uconnect. So we're going to go on the phone, go on your Bluetooth menu, and it's already requesting to pair. We're going to click pair, allow sync, and then we're going to use CarPlay. And that's it. There's no wires connected. Let's see if this works well. So once your device is connected, it'll show your battery level, your map, Spotify, whatever you're looking for. It's exactly as the same if you have it plugged into your phone, but now it's on the dongle. What I'm gonna do to clean this up is to unplug this and put it in the glove box because there's a USB-A port inside as well, so I can have no cable here, just clean, and it'll look like I have wireless CarPlay from the factory. I can pay at the drive-thrus without unplugging my phone, and yeah, it'll be great. Anyways, this product will be linked in the bio. I give it a 10 out of 10 so far. I haven't had any problems with it. It's what I was looking for to make this wireless, and it was a lot easier than I thought. I didn't have to program any IPs or configure it on a web browser. I literally just plugged it in, turn on my Bluetooth. Now I have wireless CarPlay. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.